Good afternoon to everybody. Today we speak about week number 2, partial 4 for 7th. So swear your password and your login, ¿ok? Login for this. Vamos a ingresar. Usted tiene asignado su cuaderno y ya tiene asignado la ficha número 5, que es el parcial. Semana 2, parcial 4. Week 2, partial 4. What is the historical theories? Cultural theories. Each culture has a language, clothing, and values. Cultures have their own values like family, friendship, and education. They have their own beliefs. They all love to dance, play different musical instruments, and sports. All these elements are interesting for tourists. Cultural tourists include tourists in urban areas. People visit bilingual buildings such as museums, theaters. It can also include tourists in rural areas with a particular interest in the tradition of indigenous cultural communities, their festivals, rituals, values, and habits. Vamos a seleccionar verdadero o falso. Cultural tourism it has own language, clothing, and vowels. It's true. Select true. Cultural tourism includes only urban areas. This is false. Yeah. Cultures having their own values like family, friendship, and education. This is true. Tourism is a rural areas. It has a special interest for their rituals, festivals, and values and habits. This is true. Recognize this place in Ecuador. Under each picture, word the correct name. Vamos a unir con el nombre correcto. Ya tenemos this is Calte, Ecuador Roman Catholic, Inca Ruins, Baños de Agua Santa, Chimborazo Volcán. ¿Ya? This is Catholic Ecuador. ¿Ya? You have Inca Ruins, Chimborazo Volcano, and Baños de Agua Santa. Okay? Next. Read the text and answer the question below individually. People do historical touring when they visit important historical buildings, churches, and cities. There are several historical places to visit in Quito, but these are some to must see: the San Francisco Church, the Panecillo, and the City Museum. But there are some you must see: the San Francisco Church, the Panecillo, and the City Museum are all very important. The Panecillo has a natural elevation of 3,000 meters above the sea level. It's located in the south of the historical center. It's the best way to see Quito. You can see a huge statue of the Virgin with the wings, the Virgin of Quito. And you climb to the 1,000 steps to the top of the go by taxi. The City Museum has a very realistic representation of Quito, from the pre-Columbian era up to the present. Many years ago, Quito has a trade center. This museum is the perfect place to learn more about Ecuadorian culture. Vamos acá. There are several historical places to visit Quito. This is true. Panecillo has a natural elevation of 3,000 meters above the sea level. This is true. It's located off the shore of the historic center. This is true. You can see the huge statue of Virgin two wings at the Virgin of Quito, and you can climb the 2,000 steps. This is false. The Quito Museum has a very representation of Quito from the pre-Columbian era out to the present. This is true. Quito is the capital of Ecuador. This is true. This museum is the perfect place to learn about the Ecuadorian culture. This is true. Hemos acabado la tarea en clase. Ahora vamos a hacer el deber. This is the homework 2. Write the correct verb to complete to the phrase choose the go or see. Tenemos go on the beach, see museum, see with animals, go science, see dolphins, and go shopping. Yeah? Remember. Go to the beach, see motion, see wild animals, go sightseeing, see dolphins, and go shopping. Acá vamos a unir. Go skiing, go rock climbing, go hiking, go bungee jumping, camping. Ya tenemos el primero. This is go bungee jumping, go hiking, go rock climbing, and go skiing. Y acá vamos a unir, chicos. Match the word with the pictures. Island, bridge, museums, pyramids. Island es isla, bridge es puente, museums, museo y pirámides, pirámides. Vamos a unir. Island, this is an island. This is a bridge. This is a museum. And this is pyramids. This is all, guys, for this homework. Eso es todo, chicos, por el deber. Recuerden que usted tiene que trabajar en la plataforma y terminar hasta el día viernes. Muchas gracias, chicos. Buena terminada al final. Gracias. Buenas tardes.